The Blizzards take possession here on the opening draw, and we are underway. Shot! Oh, he stops him with the glove. Great reflexes there. Lots of time left in this period. We're still scoreless. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Into the offensive zone down the right wing. What a save! He'll probably feel that one tomorrow. Here's a shot. Oh, and another big stop. That's 3 in a row.
When the puck's in the low slot, the goaltender gets right out next to the shooter and makes the save.
And they continue to fight for that puck along the wall. The Komets gain possession. My word, they've really got them hemmed in here in their own zone. Takes possession along the boards. And here's the whistle as the goaltender will give his team a much-needed rest. Face-off coming up. They can smell blood here, I think.
Yeah, they need to put their foot on the gas pedal because they recognize that the goaltender, he was under siege, James, and he really didn't get a chance to get much rest.
Oh, what a stick save! We got a whistle as the puck's frozen. Plenty of playing time left in this frame. Still looking for our first goal. Houston's got the puck inside the offensive zone. Picked up by Greco. He carries the puck up along the wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. Officials getting ready to drop the puck to get play back underway. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Shuts him down. There's the whistle. We'll get a face-off after the goalie covers up. Haas won the draw. Just a little too much contact and couldn't hang on to the puck. Sends a pass over. Takes the feed at the back end. And that goes wide. Chance in front. And he denies that great opportunity there. More than half the period has expired. Still no score in this one. Houston's won the draw. Gives him a tap with a stick, and the referees don't like it. Here comes the call.
Well, he was kind of using the stick as a weapon there, James. He was hacking and whacking, and these are the types of calls that need to be made because they can result in an injury.
And the power play unit takes to the ice their first chance to try to make something happen in this game.
The score of this game, James, an opportunity to go up by one. They'll want to gain possession right off the draw and set the tempo.
Takes the puck at the point. Fires one on goal.
In the game of hockey, you know that your opponent is told to attack and drive the net and really get in the eyes of the tender. And for the goaltender, it's really important when there's a lot of traffic in front to make sure they have their eyes. So it's out-battling, outworking your opponent for those sight lines. He does an impressive job of making that save.
Sends the cross-ice pass. There's a firm collision. On the attack along the boards. Scores! A power play goal!
A successful power play is all about getting the PK to move, and that's exactly what they've done with their motion and their switching of positions here, James. They got the look they wanted, and they finished it off. There's a reason why the power play moves the puck around the perimeter and creates motion. They want to pull the PK outside of the middle of the ice, and when they do, they hit the bumper position perfectly, and they're able to hammer it home.
Houston's got the game's first goals. It finally comes in the back half of period number 1.
Yeah, it's been a real tight opening period. Both teams back and forth, defensive style of play here. But, James, they get the first goal at the back half of this first period. I expect things to open up now. A little more creativity to shine through.
Stones him with the blocker. Into the corner of the attacking area. Sends it out in front. Oh, he comes up with a stop. More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. We got a 1-0 game to this point. The Komets win the draw. Anchorage has got the puck along the wall. Feeds it on over to Grossman. Hang the puck loose. Houston's through center and now in the offensive end. Good defensive stop with the poke check. And they'll battle for that loose puck along the boards. Moves it to Hansen. Coughs it up on the play. The Komets are in transition. Great pass from off the right side. Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one.
Great positioning by the goaltender to redirect it to the corner, getting it out of danger.
Handles the puck. And that goes off a stick. Both teams getting a good sweat on after this first period. We've got lots more in store, and we're coming back with a clean sheet of ice next. Period number 2 set to go here. Officials moments away from dropping the puck. The second stanza is underway as the puck is dropped. Let's go. All right, Pounder, how would you assess this game through the first 20 minutes played?
Houston's held the play here, and the reason why they've done it is they've controlled their shot selection. They know exactly where they want to go, when they're going to do it, and they're driving the net.
Oh, tremendous save on the play!
What an incredible save. No idea how he got to that one, James, and the shooter is absolutely stunned. What a stop.
Here's a shot. Turns it aside with the glove. Covers it up. We'll get a stoppage in play. Still plenty of time left in this frame. Houston's ahead 1-0. Anchorage has won the draw inside the offensive zone. Now let's see what they can do with it. Shuts them down. The Blizzards gain control of the puck. With some open space at center. Shot! The Komets have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Houston's got a hold of the puck. Along the right wing, they enter the attacking area. Oh, and he throws a perfectly executed hip check there. Along the half wall with the puck. Big time hit along the boards. Oh, he stopped it. What a save on the play.
And there's nothing technical about that. That is all about the will to find a way to make that save incredible, James.
And Sarah, listen to these fans here. They are getting loud. Some of them are getting on their feet here, still applauding that save we saw.
James, I think it's the appreciation for the desperation save, to compete, the will to keep that puck out of the net, and they're really showing him the love.
Through the middle of the ice, they enter the attacking zone. Takes a shot. Oh, fantastic stop there. Receives the pass. Puck moved over to Greco. Big play inside the defensive zone. Oh, he made the save. How did he stop it?
I have no idea, James. I mean, he was down and out, but profound athleticism and desperation got him back in to make it. I don't think anyone minds watching that one again, James. I mean, he's so dialed in his crease. You think this is all but in, and then he comes out of nowhere to make that spectacular save. He never gives up, and he finds a way to get to it.
Here in the back half of this period, Houston's up 1-0. Haas has won the draw. They'll go to work offensively. He grabs the puck here at the point. Can't hang on to the puck after taking it off. Slides the puck over. Pass back to the point. Handles that one. Puck is frozen, and we'll get a face-off. Puck possession so critical in today's game, and the official ready to drop the puck right here. And makes the routine save. The Komets move the puck in the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. Quick shot! Oh, and somehow he gets a sliver of it and keeps them at bay. Inside the offensive end now down the left. Dishes it off. And that won't go as it hits one of his own teammates in front. Huge steal in his own end. Houston's got the puck in the defensive end. Through the neutral zone now, picking up steam. They've got numbers here. Anchorage is looking to break out of their own end. Gaining momentum along the wing. Here's a shot. Gives them nothing in front. There's the horn, 40 minutes. Teams are lined up, and they are ready to get this third period underway. And they have dropped the puck here on the final frame. Well, Pounder, we've played more than 40 minutes now in this one. How do you view things?
Anchorage is generating a lot of offensive scoring chances here, James, but they can't seem to solve the goaltender. Listen, this is when you can't get frustrated. You have to stick with the game plan, continue to move the puck with motion, and drive the pace.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Nice job tying up his opponent. Into the attacking area from the left side. Fires it on net. Big time stop. Broken up by Anderson. Quick feed to Heponiemi. Shot! Denied by the puck stopper. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Officials getting ready to drop the puck. Puck possession so key in today's game. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Broken up with the stick in the defensive end. Houston's got a hold of it against the wall. Anchorage is trying to make some... Oh, spectacular save right there! Wow!
Unbelievable. I mean, it was all but in, and he steals it because of that last-ditch attempt to find the puck. Just incredible save, James.
And as play continues, this place is still buzzing, and they're getting loud here now.
Well, this is all about fan appreciation for that huge save, and man, does this ever feel good. You know, you feel it right through you when you know you've made that big save, and everyone around you is appreciative.
The Komets will go to work here in the offensive zone. And he gets a chunk of that to keep it out.
Well, a nice save by the goaltender, and even better is that he redirects the puck to the corner to safety.
Anchorage has got the puck. Quick feed to Anderson. Can't maintain possession after that hit. Oh, smart heads-up play to poke that one away. Houston's got it in their own zone. And that's poked away. Passes the puck over to Haas. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Here's a shot. Glove save. There's the whistle as the goalie hangs on. Well past the midway mark of this period, the Komets lead it 1-0. Houston's got the puck after winning the defensive zone faceoff. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. Anchorage has gained possession along the boards. The Blizzards will play it from the defensive zone. And called for the offside. We'll get a face-off. The Blizzards continue to trail here in the third period despite being the busier team offensively tonight. And off the draw, they take the puck. Keeps possession. Here's a chance. Glove save. In front covers up for a whistle on the play. A big face-off here inside the offensive end. Anchorage has got it in the defensive zone. Here they come through center and into the offensive end. Oh, what a save in front. Ref blows the whistle as the puck's covered up. Here in the late going of the frame, 1-0 the score. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Hansen's got it in the defensive end. Plays the puck up ahead. Fires it, and that carries off a stick. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. And a huge stop by the goaltender at point-blank range.
As a goaltender, you have to be able to read and anticipate the play. He does it perfectly and is able to negate the shot.
This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Houston's won the draw. Now let's see what they can do with it.
Puck possession right off the draw, James, against a very tired group who just iced the puck, leads to an opportunity.
Here's a short pass to Greco. Oh, what a stop! A big draw looming here in the offensive zone. Less than 60 seconds to play in this tight one. Houston's ready to go on the attack. Now a quick pass to Olsen. Oh, gets a little piece of it and keeps it out of the net. Swoops in off the wing to grab the puck after the centerman tied him up. Haas plays it down. From the left side, they gain the zone. And that's a great heads-up play in the offensive zone. The Blizzards have pulled the goaltender here. They've got the extra attacker out on the ice in hopes of a goal. Oh, and it misses the net. Sends the pass over. Anderson's taking it from his own end. Takes the pass. Moves around along the half wall. And that's a smart heads-up play by Carlson.
Houston's been working...
Wide open net. Scores into the empty net. And that should probably wrap this one up.
Yeah, well, it'll seal the deal, James. The insurance marker and a lot of fun as well. Goal scoring is fun. Doesn't matter how it goes in, even if it is an empty net.
Houston's effort has really impressed me tonight here, Cheryl. And after that, EN in the old statistical book only adds to their lead.
Yeah, and it's going to be all but over, isn't it? You know, you put it in the 4x6, it's empty, and you know everyone just starts jumping because they realize they just won the game.
And this one's in the books. Great play for the back end tonight, but Pounder, you know the rules. When you get that shutout, it's all the glory to the goalie here in this one.
Well, and it's deserved right now. I mean, he was excellent tonight. The puck was like a beach ball. He saw absolutely everything, and he was in perfect position all night long.
And here they come back out to salute the fans.
So this is a great feeling. I remember doing this when I was an athlete. You come back on the ice to salute the fans for cheering you on throughout the game. Just a fun night all the way around.
Ain't no party like a victory party. Hope you had as much fun as we did here tonight, and we will see you the next time. At least we hope so. From all of us here at EA Sports, take care, everyone.